if you want to add a widget to the home screen on Nothing Phone 3, what you need to do is press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then you should be able to find widgets option. So over here you can find some nothing widgets, so you can choose any of them in order to add it to the home screen. For example, we can go to quick settings in order to add a quick setting widget. And also you can swipe to the left in order to find app widgets. So over here, let's say I'm gonna go to perhaps this app over here. I can find my widgets. And in order to add something, you can either just tap on it and then press add widget, or you can press and hold your finger on that widget and then you can choose where you want to place it. You can of course move left and right in order to go to different pages. And there we go, a widget has been added. In some cases we can also resize widgets, but that just depends on the widget itself. In this case I can make it taller in theory, and in some cases you cannot change the size at all. So if it's possible, you can just press and hold in order to find the resize option. Sometimes you can press and hold and start moving it in order to find out if you can actually change the size. In some cases we can also change the width of the widget as well. And that's pretty much it. In case you need to go to the settings of widget, if the widget had some settings, then you can also press and hold your finger in order to find that option. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.